Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. A favicon is a small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your store's name, as you can see here. It helps make your brand look more professional and can influence how visitors perceive your store. Let's get started. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store. Once we are in that section, click Edit Theme. This will take us to the theme editing page. Now, click Theme Settings. Then click this option in the upper left. This opens the logo and favicon section. Make sure you have a relevant favicon ready, as it will replace the current icon. To upload it, click Select and choose your image. Click this icon once. You will see it is still processing. Once it's done, the file will be uploaded and it will be ready to click Done. And that's it. We now have a favicon on our store. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how our brand looks and how our store appears in the browser.